thank Chris and his team for everything that they've done over the years, and we've had some really amazing projects here. We've had things lifted up onto the roof, and just appreciate the service. My name's David Simmons. I am a senior property manager here at Rio San Diego Plaza in Mission Valley. Chris's team has helped us out on more than one occasion with, within 24 hours, getting systems back up and running. I'm kind of a one-man show. I don't really like having my time wasted. Chris doesn't waste my time. He takes care of me. The quality is exceptional. I don't feel that he's ever trying to oversell me. He's trying to save me money while maintaining quality, because I have had vendors who sometimes thinks it's so important to save you money that they don't want to that you don't get a good product. And again, in this kind of a corporate facility type environment, the main thing is the tenant comfort, and Chris knows how to take care of that. We're 100% leased in this building. It's about 200,000 square feet. And there's 600, 700, 800 people in here. Each floor has its own air handler, and there have been a few times over the years where we've had compressors go out. It usually happens when it's about 100 degrees outside, and we've got no air. And this is a very busy building. The clients are corporate level clients. They're very intense, they're very demanding, and you can't be out of air conditioning when it's 100 degrees outside. And Chris's proposal was just like very clean, very direct, very easy to understand, and we got the results we wanted.